द्वारा यानी उपेक्षामय वचनों के से अनादर देते हुए कहते हैं कुल रमणीय के लिए कुल मर्यादा विसर्जन करना उचित नहीं, और इस प्रकार हमसे रुचि विधान उचित नहीं। फिर शशिमुखी आकर सारी बात राधा जी को जो है अत्यंत अन्यत्र मन लगाने के लिए उपदेश करें। इस कथा को कल हमने श्रवण किया था। उससे श्रीमती राधिका की विरह और भी बढ़ जाता है। अपने भावों का वर्णन करते हुए श्रीमती राधिका फिर अपने प्रिय सखी मदनिका से कहती है, श्री कृष्ण के इस अनुपम रूप सौंदर्य से आकृष्ट होकर मैं धैर्य नहीं धारण कर पा रहा। तो श्री राधा मदनिका देवी कहती है, श्री कृष्ण के इस अनुपम रूप सौंदर्य से आकृष्ट होकर मैं धैर्य नहीं धारण कर पा रही, इसलिए मैंने उसके निकट पत्र प्रेरण किया था। जैसे कि इसमें मेरा दोष क्या है? यह निश्चय ही वो सठ है, मुझे मृत्यु तुल्य दंड देना ही उसका उद्देश्य है। पहले तो अपने रूपमान से मुझे आकृष्ट किया।
हरे कृष्णा, कैन यू हियर मी? हरि बोल। So yesterday we were hearing about the text 12 of Bhajan Rahasya. So now Radhaji is expressing her feelings. Shri Radhaji continues, Hey Shaki Mandakini, the movement of prem is crooked, like that of snakes, and it is foolish. It does not consider whether the place is suitable or unsuitable. So for getting the pleasure, we are getting married in this world, and we used to show text number 12 yesterday. So everything whatever we are doing in this world was just for happiness, but whatever the rules or the rules of the Vedanta Bhagwan, who knows it? Okay, wind. Now check Haribol. So Srimati Radhika is saying, what is the Vidhan of Vidhi? What is the law of the Vidhi? Brahmaji has created this world, and who knows the rules of his whose rules? So sometimes new rules comes and then it becomes old, and then again new rules comes. So in the same way, Vidhatas, Brahmas, there is a different rules he is provided again and again. Sometimes all in this world we have seen that many rules implemented again and again. Any governments comes and then change the rules. So in the same way, the Vidhi means Bhagwan, the Brahmas. So it is not the same all the time. The rules of the Vidhan of the Brahma, it's not same all the time. So Shri Radha continues, Sakhi Mandanika, the movement of flame is crooked, like that of a snake, and it is foolish. The love is, what is love? Love is like
इसलिए तो
crooked.
अद्वैतवादी लोग क्या करते हैं?
So what Advaitwadi
प्रेम
does?
की तरफ जाना नहीं चाहिए।
Do not go towards prem, love.
क्या करो?
What you have to do? You have to be Brahma.
ब्रह्म बनने से क्या होता है?
If you become
ना
Brahma,
दुखमस्ती, ना सुखमस्ती।
there is no pleasure, no happiness, nothing, or sorrow. So nothing like that. You won't feel sorrow and you won't feel any happiness.
जीवन की आगे लेके जाते हैं।
Sukh or dukh, the sorrow and the happiness, this carried us to forward. So that's why we have to give up sorrow and happiness,
ब्रह्म में
so that we have to submerge into Brahma. So this is the principle of Advaitwadi.
किंतु
But
अपराजित चित्त जगत में
in the transcendental world,
एक अपूर्व जो आनंद
there is a greatest pleasure in love.
वो किसी को पता नहीं।
Nobody knows about that.
इसलिए चेतना
That's why in the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is saying,
तप्त इच्छु चार्वण जैसे छरण नहीं जाए।
Tapta ikchu charvan jyote chhadu na jaye, means just like you take the sugar cane and
आग में तपाया जाए,
if you put that into the fire
फिर उसके यदि चिपक
and then you will chew that, so what happens, there is so much sweetness will come in the juice of that sugar cane, and that juice is so much hot that will burn your tongue, but still you cannot leave that, because the taste is of that sugar cane juice is so tasty that it is so sweeter that you cannot leave that. Your tongue is burning, but still you cannot leave that.
तप्त इच्छु चार्वण जैसे छरण नहीं जाए। प्रेम उसी प्रकार है।
So love is like that.
प्रेम वास्तव रूप में भगवान के साथ इसके बाद एक बार प्रेम हो जाए
Love towards Bhagwan, so he cannot leave him. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned, once somebody developed love with the Bhagwan, he make a relationship with love, so he cannot leave Bhagwan anyhow. So that's why it is also saying here,
वह प्रेम वक्र गति से चलता है।
that prem's walk,
गति कैसे है?
what is the speed of that love? It's just like a zigzag, just like a snack's speed. Snack.
स्नेह की भांति है, सर्प के भांति यथा वही वे वो
So love speed is like zigzag.
देखो, मैं तो उस बंधन को खोल नहीं पा सकता।
So I am not able to untie the foundation of that love, that I,
शॉर्ट रूप पूर्ण रूपी डोरे से मेरे हाथ और पैर एवं गले को बांध
so that Krishna has tied me with that love. I'm not possible to untie that.
जैसे राम और लक्ष्मण के
Just like Ram and Lakshman,
बाण में बांधे,
he was tied by the Sarpaband, Nagpash.
ये लीला दिखा रही है।
So this Leela was showed in the Ramayana. Ram and Lakshman got fainted. This is a beautiful Leela there.
राम
So the Bhagwan Parbrahma Ram himself,
भगवान से
he was not able to open himself from that Sarpaband. So this is the Leela he showed.
तो उसी प्रकार राधा जी
In the same way, Radha ji is saying,
ये प्रेम की डोरी से मेरे हाथ और पैर और गले को जो है बांध देता है।
so they have tied me with the rope of love. So I am so much helpless that I cannot open that.
एक बार ललिता देवी
Once Lalita Devi,
श्री राधा जी की बोली, राधे
she told to Radha ji,
तुम्हारे दुख की जो कारण है,
what is the
एक
cause of
कारण है
what is the cause of your sorrow? There is only one cause, that you have loved with Krishna.
ये काम करो,
Do one thing.
कृष्ण के साथ जो प्रेम है उसमें।
So whatever the love you have with Krishna, leave him.
राधा जी कहते छोड़ दे,
Radha ji said, okay, if I leave him, so I have to engage my mind somewhere else.
संसार में
In this world,
हमारे मन कहीं कहीं लगता है,
our mind is so restless, it because it goes here and there, so we have to fix it some one pointed, maybe in the material things towards Bhagwan. So we have to keep our mind engaged in somewhere.
लगे हुए हैं।
Our mind is engaging somewhere, in our brother, sister, mother, father,
कि अपने लाभ पूजा
even our prestige, money. So somewhere we have our keep engaging our mind.
मन मेरा लगा हुआ है।
Some people used to say, my mind is not engaging somewhere. No, your mind is engaging somewhere, but you have, because man is ghost, your mind is ghost.
उसको काम चाहिए।
He needs a work.
तो राधा जी उसी को लेकर
So Radha ji in this way is saying,
प्रेम पर जोर दो, मन को कहाँ लगा?
okay, I can leave Krishna, but where should I engage my mind?
रखो में तो मन लगा।
So the Lalita Sakhi is saying you can engage yourself in the Nirvishesh Brahma. So Radha ji asks, okay, tell me what is the Nirvishesh Brahma? Please tell me. So Lalita Devi is saying, light an earthen lamp
और दीपक की तरफ बैठ, दीपक के पास बैठ,
and sit before that earthen lamp, and whatever the light is there,
आपकी बत्ती की जो है
so the wick of the earthen lamp, so keep
सिखा जो अग्नि की सिखा जो है, बत्ती जल ना, उसके तरफ देखते हो।
so keep focus on that light.
ये ध्यान सिखाया जाता है ना, ऐसे ध्यान
Sometimes meditation teaches like this. If you haven't somewhere go in the meditation center, so you will come to know they burns a light
ब्रह्म ज्योति है, उसके ब्रह्म ज्योति मान करके
and thinking that it is a Brahma Jyoti, and keep on watching that and focus on that.
देखते क्या है,
And once you will,
कुछ समय के बाद ये आ जाएगा।
so you keep on watching that. So what happened at some time there is a stage come that you will see only that wick, only that light.
जब आंख बंद करो,
When you close your eye, so that light will when you close your eye, so you will see only that light only.
आपकी जो सिखा जो है,
First you have to see that earthen lamp light,
चिंतन करते करते,
and then meditate upon that.
फिर आपके
And then when you close your eyes, then you will always remember that. So you will see inside that wick, that earthen lamp in your
आपको दिखाई देगा।
inside yourself.
पहले आपको क्या दिखाई पड़ेगा?
So first you will see whole earthen lamp,
दीपक दिखाई पड़ेगा, उसमें तेल है, वो
and then you will see there is a oil in that earthen lamp. Then you will see wick is there, then light is there. So gradually you have to focus only that light.
और फिर जब आपके चित्त जब मन जब एकाग्र हो जाए,
When your mind will be concentrate, so then you close your eyes and only you will meditate upon that wick, that earthen lamp light.
करते करते करते
And when you meditate upon that light,
ज्योति में ही
so you will be submerged into that light, Jyoti.
स्वयं ज्योति में ही आप ज्योति बन जाओगे।
So you will become,
कहा जाता है ब्रह्मलीन का।
this is called the Brahma Leen, means submerge into Brahma. So the person who are meditating, so they used to teach like this,
कैसे चित्त के
that how you have to one pointed your heart, stable your mind.
पूर्व पांडवों की जो है दुर्योधन क्या बोले द्रोणाचार्य सिखा रहे हैं।
So this katha is also told by Duryodhana.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने मुझे सब कुछ दिखाई,
Yudhishthira Maharaj said, I am able to see everything.
नदी भी दिखाई पड़ रही
I
है,
can
पेड़
see
भी दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं,
river, I can see tree, everything I can see.
और पेड़ के ऊपर जो आपने
And
पक्षी जो रखा है,
so whatever the words you have kept on the tree, I can see everything.
द्रोणाचार्य
Then Dronacharya said, sit,
तुम्हारे ये को नहीं चाहिए।
you are not one pointed.
ऐसे करते सब
So he asked to, so he given the chance to everybody, Yudhishthira, Duryodhan.
फिर जब अर्जुन को दिया,
When he gave the chance to Arjun, so what Arjun said, what are you saying? So Arjun said, I can see only the eyes of that word.
अर्जुन ने यही कहा,
Arjun said like this. He didn't say anything because he have to put throw the arrow on that eyes only. So that's why he was keeping on focus. So where they were, where is the tree? There is. So he was not able to see anything. Just he was focusing on the eyes of the word because he have to throw the arrow on that eye.
तब द्रोणाचार्य जो है,
So Dronacharya said, now throw your arrow. Then Arjun throw his arrow, and he.
अद्वैतवादी लोग इसी का ही उदाहरण दे देते हैं।
So Advaitwadi is giving the example like that.
ब्रह्म चिंतन उसी प्रकार।
This is like meditation on Brahma. We used to carry people into the bhakti,
एकमात्र भगवान एकनिष्ठता।
that you have to be one pointed towards Bhagwan. But Advaitwadi used to give the example. They are giving the example of the scriptures. They are not talking about here and there. They used to say,
अर्जुन के भांति
just like Arjun, you have to be one pointed. You have to keep your eyes on that earthen lamp, on the light. So the fires, the light of that fire.
ब्रह्म है
So this is Brahma.
और ब्रह्म ज्योति वही है,
And this is the Brahma Jyoti.
और उसी में तुम
And you have to submerge into that.
आज
So keep on meditating upon that. So and at least you will be submerged into Brahma.
आत्मा नाम से कोई वस्तु नहीं।
There is nothing like Atma. There is nothing like Bhagwan.
वही
Only there is only light, and you have to submerge into that. This is the goal only of that Advaitvadi peoples. So Lalita Devi is giving a lesson to the Radharani.
ब्रह्मलीन की शिक्षा दी।
She is giving the lesson of being Brahmalina, how to be submerged into the Brahma. So Radhaji seated,
जैसे जैसे मैंने कहा
just like I told you. So Lalita ji was telling like that. So she seated like that. She was meditating upon Nirvishesh Brahm. Nirvishesh Brahm doesn't have any kinds of form. Just close your eyes.
किंतु राधा जी कहते हैं मैं जब
But Radhaji saying, whenever I close my eyes,
निर्विशेष ब्रह्म के धन वही कृष्ण की सारे
so I
लीलाएं जो
so
है
I am remembering all the pastime of Krishna whenever I close my eyes.
कृष्ण के वही मुखार सुंदर मुखार
So I'm watching the beautiful face of Krishna whenever I close my eyes.
तो मुस्कान जो है
I used to see the beautiful smile of Krishna on his face. It is very nicely described there.
वही कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर कुंडली वाले बाल,
And I used to see the beautiful curly hair of Krishna.
ऐसे सुंदर उसके जो, रूप जो है हमारी हृदय
So whenever I close my eyes, I just see all the beautiful form of Krishna. Everywhere I see Krishna.
में क्या अंदर क्या बाहर
What is inside, what is outside, everywhere I can see only Krishna.
जिसे कहा जाता है राधिका ये क्या कहा
So what they are saying to Radhika,
अंदर और बाहर सर्वत्र क्या है जहाँ
internal and external, wherever you go, you will find Krishna in the Radhika. Wherever your eyes will go, you will see Krishna, nothing else. Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha Antar Bahire. Wherever Radharani is seeing, she is seeing only Krishna.
कृष्णमयी
Who is Radhika? Radhika is Krishna Mai.
कृष्ण में ही एकमात्र तन्मय है।
She is totally absorbed in Krishna.
विचार क्या है
What is the views of Advaitvadi? What is their philosophy?
ये तुम ही कृष्ण बन जाओ।
That you yourself become Krishna. Advaitvadi used to say that you will be Krishna.
माठ पत्र में दो प्रकार होता है। एक होता है अधिक को हेतु माठ पत्र होता है जैसे जलमय
Just like jal mein,
अर्थात ये वृंदावन जलमय हो गया। जलमय मतलब क्या है
just like this Vrindavan becomes jal mein, full of water.
माठ प्रत्यय
क्या चीज होता है मैं
मयट प्रत्यय
mayat pratyay.
संस्कृत में
In the Sanskrit, this is called mayat pratyay. Mayat pratyay means
माठ प्रत्यय होता है इसे अधिक को देंगे जलमय माने
just like two example are giving. Just Vrindavan is become jal mein, full of water.
इसका मतलब नहीं है
So
ये वृंदावन क्या हो गया पानी बन गया
it doesn't mean that Vrindavan become water. That all the trees, all the birds, everything becomes water. So Advaitvadi used to say there was the word Maya Pratyay means everything's become water.
एक ही शब्द जो है अद्वैतवादी लोग शंकराचार्य ने
Shankaracharya
उसको दिखा दिया।
taught them one word Maya.
तो उसी प्रकार कहते हैं
So in this way it is saying
राधिका जो कहते हैं
Radhika, whatever is seeing, that if I am going to meditate,
जहाँ जहाँ पर नेत्र
wherever my eyes goes, Manesnet, the transcendental eyes, whenever she is closing the eyes and meditating, so everywhere she is watching Krishna.
एक मन के द्वारा दर्शन होता है और एक
One you take the darshan by mind, and one you take the darshan by your gross eyes. Just like we are taking the darshan of our gross eyes, how many people are sitting here,
होता है क्या
and another is
मानस
Manas eyes, Manas darshan, which is called darshan by taking darshan by mind.
वो भी आपको दिखाई
Whenever you close your eyes, you will see all the things that how many person sitting here and all. So this is called Manas darshan.
स्थूल से नहीं करके
So you are not taking darshan by your gross eyes, but you are taking darshan by your subtle senses. This is called the Manas darshan.
कृष्णमयी
So in this it is saying Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha Antar Bahire.
जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र वही कहा
जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र बढ़े कृष्ण स्फूर्ति है.
राधा जी को क्या है कृष्णमयी
So Radhaji is called Krishnamai. She is totally absorbed in Krishna. Devi Krishnamai Prokta Radhika Paradevata.
देवी कृष्णमयी सर्वत्र जय कृष्ण छोड़ कृष्ण
So wherever she take the darshan, only she sees Krishna. Wherever her eyes is going, she is only watching Krishna. So Radhaji is saying,
ब्रह्म की जय निर्विकल्प ब्रह्म वो ब्रह्म की मेरा ध्यान
I cannot meditate upon that Nirvishesh Nirvikalpa Brahma.
निर्विकल्प ध्यान नहीं करता उतना ही
And how much I am trying to meditate on that Nirvishesh Brahma, so in the same amount I get the remember of his form, Krishna's form, Savikalpa Krishna.
इतने उनके सुंदर जो है मंद मुस्कान
How beautiful smile he has on his face.
वही हमारी
Whenever I try to meditate, I just see only that things.
उनकी क्रिया आदि जो है वही दिखाई
I always see her pastime, her activity, whatever he did.
एक ही साथ ही साथ
And
और उनकी समस्त लीलाएं जो है
so at the same time, I'm remembering all kinds of his pastimes, whatever we have did, leelas together. So only I'm remembering only that. Just like Vishnu Chakravarti is describing,
कृष्ण ने बहुत सी बजाई
when Krishna played the flute, all the gopis assembled.
और उस समय
And at that time,
समस्त गोपियां इतने सुंदरी
all the gopis, they are so beautiful. Tapta Kanchan Gaurangin. Or not only Radhaji, all the gopis,
इतने सुंदरी
they are so beautiful. They are Tapta Kanchan Gaurangi. Golden complexion. Once Krishna said,
सखियों देखो
Hey Sakhi, look,
काल हमारी जो है
tomorrow
रास में आप लोग सब एक ही वस्त्र पहनते
you have to all put on same dress in my ras.
अलंकार
One dress, same ornaments, everything. You have to put in the same, everything same.
सब सफेद
If everybody is white, then you have to put on the cloth everything white. If one is green, so everyone has to be green.
और यदि वो काला क्या बोले येलो कलर को
If somebody is putting yellow color, so everybody has to put on yellow color.
पंचमी का
Just like in the Basant Panchami, people used to put on yellow color. It is said Vasant in the not white and white like a widow.
हैं? क्या ड्रेस पहन करके आओ
No white and all, like a widow.
पंचमी में
At the Basant Panchami, people used to put on white, yellow cloths.
सभी क्या कपड़ा पहनो
Everybody has to put on yellow cloths on the Vasant Panchami.
तो सब गोपी ने क्या की
So what all the gopis did,
क्या कपड़ा पहना
they put on yellow cloths, Tapta
ये
Kanchan.
तो उनके शरीर की
First their body complexion is yellow, golden complexion.
की आवाज जो है
And the aura of the body
बड़े हल्दी है ना
is just like a raw turmeric.
उसके तोड़ने से उसके अंदर में जैसे
When you break that, so inside that you will saw the color. It is very different, very unique color. So all the gopis have this kinds of body complexion. There are many kinds of comparison, comparable things are showing.
येलो कलर
And gopis put on the beautiful yellow colors dress.
सब देखने में एक ही जैसे
And all the gopis looking same.
हैं? आज इतने सुंदर जैसे
They are so
आपको
beautiful.
पता है, स्कूल में जैसे
Maybe you have seen in the school, 5th or 10th standard,
एक ही क्लास, स्कूल के सब
all the students used to put on the same dress.
जो है, एक ही
All the girls used to put on the same dress, uniform.
है आज इन इधर तो अनेक प्रकार के मूर्ति रहते हैं कोई काली है कोई गोरी है कोई श्यामली है किंतु उस समय कृष्ण ने कहा क्या
But what Krishna said at that
सब
time,
गोपियां क्या करें एक ही
all the gopis have to put on the same color.
है वो बसंत काल में है।
So all the gopis, they put on yellow color.
और देखो
And what happened? Look,
उस समय समस्त गोपियां क्या कर रहे थे
at the time all the gopis, what they did,
अस्थल में अहंकार करने
and they were getting so much ego. Oh,
आदि विचार होगा इसमें सबसे सुंदरी गोपी
now they will be, Krishna will discriminate there. Who is the topmost gopi amongst all?
इस गोपी में सुंदर सबसे कौन
Who is the topmost gopi? Who is the so beautiful, topmost beautiful? All the gopis are looking same,
मैं सबसे सुंदर
and every gopi is thinking that I am the topmost beautiful
सब वस्त्र सब
amongst them.
सभी आस्फलन करने लगे
Everybody is ego, ankar.
अहंकार
Everybody is getting this kinds of observing, thinking that I am the topmost gopi, I am the topmost beautiful.
आस्फलन में इसी प्रकार आसुर में कब ऐसे जो जो है
So in the ras, they have this kinds of ego, ahankar, that I am the topmost beautiful. The Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying this.
सब गोपियां राधा ललिता
All the gopis, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, all the gopis,
जितने भी चंद्रावली आदि
Chandravali and others, so Paksha, Vipaksha, Tatastha,
समस्त गोपियां
all the gopis,
हैं, सब कहने
they are thinking that I am the beautiful, I am the topmost beautiful. Now what happened now?
कृष्ण कन्या से दिया मैं नहीं ना देता हूं,
Krishna said, I will decide that who is the topmost beautiful amongst you.
कैसे
So Krishna, the gopis said, how?
देखो आप
Krishna
सब
said,
देखो, मेरा
look,
भुजाओं पे देखो
everybody look my arms,
है मेरा
everybody look my hand, arms.
कृष्ण
When he raised his hand,
कृष्ण तो श्यामल वर्ण है।
Krishna is, black complexion.
ये
Black.
देखो ये मेरा हाथ नहीं है,
Look, this is not my hand.
ये है सर्वकार के जो निकसा
Eh?
निकसा समझते हैं
Nikasar?
वो एक काला के पत्थर होता है ना है कसौटी
Just like a jewelers have a kind of stone which is called kasoti.
इसी मेरा हाथ पर से द्वारा ही
So by my hand,
एक एक गोपी को उठाऊंगा
I will lift every gopi one by one, and then I will decide.
है क्योंकि जैसे स्वर्णकार
Because just like a jewelers, goldsmith, what he used to do
सोने की परीक्षा करने के लिए क्या करते
for testing the golds, they used to
हैं? वो जो है ये लेकर के उस सोने में ऐसे कर देते हैं।
they used to rub the gold into that stone.
उसके द्वारा वो जम लेते हैं।
So by that black stone, they came to know that how many carat gold is in that ornaments.
ये तुम्हारे 22 है कि 24 है?
It is 24 carats, 22 carats, or 28 carats. 24, not more than that.
हैं? तो उसी प्रकार कृष्ण
So
कहने लगे
in this way, Krishna
देखो,
said,
मेरे हाथ कैसे है
my hand is like just like that stone, testing stone.
इससे मैं
So I will now check you, all of you, because you all are golden complexion.
सोने में कौन सा
So in that,
सोना है प्योर सोना है।
so in the on you all are golden complexion. So now I have to check you all are golden. So which is the topmost? Which is the nice quality you have?
हजारों गोपियां हैं
So there are thousands gopis are there, and Krishna very fastly went to every gopi one by one, and Krishna
समस्त गोपियों को जो है
got the so many form, and he lifted every gopi, each gopi,
और अंत में
and at least Krishna said,
समस्त गोपियां
and amongst all the gopis, Radha ji,
सुंदरी कौन है
who is the topmost beautiful? Shrimati Radhika. Bolo Vrindavan Lal ki jai.
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
Vishwanath Chakravarti is describing this katha very nicely.
मैं किस लिए करे
So why I am saying this?
श्रीमती राधिका कार्य
So in this Viraya Dasha, in the separation mode, Radhika is saying, Hey Lalite, you are teaching me the meditation upon Nirvishesh Brahma.
क्योंकि जब मैं
But whenever I close my eyes, so when I meditate, so I always just remind that Krishna, Ram, Rup, Guna, Lila, is spontaneously stimulated in my heart, manifested in my heart. Krishna's name, Rup, Guna, Lila, Nam, Rup, Guna, Lila, is spontaneously manifested in my heart. There is no difference between Krishna's name, Krishna's Rup, Krishna's Leela.
चिंतन नहीं हो सकता
They cannot do Brahma Chintan, like meditate upon Brahma.
तब आंखों से
So whenever she remember these things, so she always cry. The tears comes out from her eyes.
लीला में है कैसे कृष्ण एक एक गोपी को जो है
How Krishna in the Ras Leela,
दिल को
each gopis,
स्वरूप भुजाओं के द्वारा गोपी
he has lifted like a testing stone of that goldsmith.
वही लीला है।
So all the Leelas was remembering Radha ji.
वह प्रेम श्री कृष्ण यहाँ पर श्री कृष्ण गुण पर श्री राधा ऐसे बुद्ध है मिलन की आशा का परित्याग करना असंभव है।
So Shri Radha is so captivated by Shri Krishna's quality that it is impossible for her to abandon the hope of meeting him. Her condition is similar to that of a person who relishes the sweetness of hot sugar cane so much that he cannot give up chewing it, even if his mouth is burning. Moreover, she says, observing my helpless condition, Madan, the Cupid, torments me with 5 arrows, thus exhausting my entire body. When elephant fall down into the potholes, so at that time, and the लिटिल चमगादड़ को क्या कहते हैं? चमगादड़
कुत्ते भी उसके पीछे होने लगे।
व्हाट इज चमगादड़? अरे ये चमगादड़ को क्या बोलते हैं?
है कि नहीं? कुत्ते भी उसको पीछे।
So dogs are barking behind that elephant.
क्योंकि अभी हाथी
Bat,
कहाँ
bat,
पे है?
bat, bat, bat.
हाथी
Yes, bat.
गड्ढे में गिर। और कुत्ते आगे भागो करते हैं।
And all the dogs are walking on that
जब
elephant.
हाथी
When that elephant
चलता रहता है,
he walks,
कुत्ते के पीछे आगे
all the dogs chasing him and then walking.
अपने सूंडों के द्वारा एक बार ऐसे घुमा दे।
And when that elephant turns his trunk once, all the dogs will go away because this elephant is so powerful. But when that elephants fall down in the mud or in the potholes, so he is unable to come out.
इसने राधा जी इसने
That's why Radhaji is describing this katha. I am feeling so much helpless this time. Seeing this so observing my helpless condition, Madan Cupid torments with his 5 arrows, thus exhausting my entire body. Soshan, Uchatan, Maran, Taranan, all like this. You know five. The Sakhi says, "Oh Radha, take revenge on Kadam, Kamdev, Cupid." Radha answer, "Oh Sakhi, Kamdev has no body. So how can I relate it to him? If somebody has body, so I can take revenge. But the person who doesn't have body, how can I take revenge with him?" Kamdev is Ashariri. Anang means who doesn't have body. Anang. In the Kama Gayatri, you chant this mantra Ananga. Ananga. Who doesn't have body, and he is still that Kam is teasing. Oh Sakhi, Kamdev has no body, so how can I retaliate? If you have to fight someone, so if somebody has body, then you can fight with him. But the person who doesn't have body, though, how you can fight with that person? That's why he tears. Oh, he tears my body asunder with his 5 arrows, causing me agony. But these arrows do not take away my life. $320. So this Anang, this Kamdev is giving me so much, causing so much suffering. So that Kamdev is not killing me, they are giving me so much suffering. Oh Sakhi said, Swamini, since Shri Krishna is an ocean of mercy, he will certainly bestow mercy upon you. Have patience. Hey Radhe, please have patience. Because Krishna is the ocean of mercy, he will certainly mercy upon you. You have patience. Shri Radha replies, so this life is momentary, it's Chadbhangu, it's a very short time. Who can remain alive until then? The life span of the living entity is a human body is 100 years. You sometimes Radhaji is so much angry, and she said, you all are not my friend, you go away from me. Why? Because again and again, what are you saying? You have patience, you have patience. Krishna will come and he will meet you. He's a cheater. Why are you talking about him? Radhaji, what Radhaji is saying? That cheater, Asit means Krishna. She is not taking the name of Krishna in the separation mode. She is saying Krishna Asit. Asit means I don't have relationship with that black person. Asit means Kala, black. I will not compromise with that person. Please don't talk to me about him. I don't want to see him. I don't want to hear his voice. I don't want to hear his talk also. So the Sakhi said, Swamini, please tell. Why are you taking his name again and again? Because if you don't have that love, or if you don't want to love, why are you taking his name again and again? Then Radhaji said, this is my fault. Because in his name, whenever I cannot leave his name, this is my fault. Radhaji is saying herself, what is my fault? I have only one fault. So there is so much sweetness in his name, I cannot forget his name. So Radha is saying herself. So then again she is saying, the lifespan of this living entity's human body is 100 years. But how long we can stay in this world? Not more than 100 years. After 100 years we have to go. We have to give up this body. Not more than that. But youth only lasts a few days. Without youth, how will I serve him? If somebody can perform bhajan in the old age. Sometimes used to people say, all the youthful age they have stayed in the families and enjoy with the family members, and the old age they have come into the mutt and performing bhajan. Is it possible? So all the positions they have earned, they have given to their brother, daughters and sons, and when they have sucked that person, and now he has only body in his only bones in his body, so now he is staying in mud. So you are here to serve or for getting served? Now you are so much old, so you need hot water. So one brahmachari has to serve you. So in the mud, so in the old days you have to serve or you have to get served. Is it true or not? All the youth you have gave to your sansar, the material world, and at the old age now you are staying in the mud. Oh, I would like to stay in mud, please keep me in mud. Vaishnav lives are so much merciful. Okay, live here, no problem. 3 times you have to take a prasad once in a day, and at the time of aarti you have to ring the bell only. Tan 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 tan, like this. Guru and Vaishnav, they are very merciful. And the worldly people, materialistic person, they are so not like that. But actually this is true. So Radha is saying in this way, how can I serve Krishna in old age? Because when this youth will go away. Because Radhaji's condition is not like that, because in the transcendental world there is nothing like old age. Always youthfulness. Just like Krishna is always Naveen, youthful and new, he is staying there in the transcendental world. In the same way, all the gopis, they are staying in a youthful form. So the influence of Yoga Maya will inspire the gopis with the sentiment that I am their paramour. So Krishna is saying himself, what happens in the Nar Leela, in the human being's Leela. So all the Yoga, what the Yoga did, she covered all his, Krishna covered his all old memories. Krishna doesn't know who is gopis. that Yamuna, that Yogmaya, they covered his memory,
इसलिए हम इस उदाहरण में
and Mahamaya is covered our mentality. We all are the servant of Bhagwan. We all are the Das and Dasi of Bhagwan. What is the transcendental, what eternal Swarup of this Jiva? This Jiva Swarup is Krishna Seva. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing this way. What is the duty of everybody is to serve Krishna. There is no difference between my soul and your soul. Every soul has to serve Krishna. All the Swaruptaha is the servant of Krishna. Who those are Mahabhakt, what they do? They always give the darshan to all the living entities. They can, so that they can take the darshan of their soul. And also they take the same darshan in every soul. They think that all are the eternal servant of Krishna. You have a smaller body, you have a big body, there is ants or elephant. But what is the Swarup of nature of the soul? So Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva. This is the nature of the soul. That's why Uttam Bhagavad, they always see that all are the servant of Krishna. So how they can serve? They can serve according to their feelings. Because every soul is the servant of Bhagwan. When they will liberate it from this world, Golok Vrindavan, when everybody will go to the Golok Vrindavan, every soul, so according to their dharma, according to their basic nature, the eternal nature, everybody serve accordingly to Bhagwan. You have a beautiful name, you beautiful body, you have eternal body also. You have a beautiful form, beautiful name, and with all of them, what you have to do, you have to serve Radha and Govind in Golok Vrindavan. When you came in this world, then you have the same soul, but your body is covered. But some externally we see some are black, some are white, some are ladies, some are gents, some are kids, some are old. But actually this is not. Actually this soul is pure, pious and clean, and everybody, all have a basic nature, that to serve Radha and Krishna. Whenever they came in this world, they forget. You have forgotten me, I have forgotten you. But when you liberate it from this world and go to Golok Vrindavan, in that world, transcendental world, then you will came to know, oh, I have this kinds of form. Then you will not forget anything. So the person who knows this, philosophy, that we are all the eternal servant of Krishna, then they will be liberated. This is the reason, this is the cause of performing bhajan sadhana, that how we can our eternal nature, how we can get our constitutional form. And when we'll get our constitutional form, then we will go to Golok Vrindavan and serve our basic nature, basic form. That's why Swarup Damodar, so that's why it is mentioned in the last Kusmanjali. Raghunath Goswami, he was observed in the Rati Manjari. Hey Rupa Manjari. So in this Brajpur, you are the topmost chaste lady. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, when he got his constitutional form, he was observed in that Rati Manjari form. He is not seeing Rupa Goswami Path in the Rupa Goswami Path. He is seeing in the form of Rupa Manjari. And what he is saying here there? But I know. It has been 2-3 days. Your husband is not at your home. He has gone somewhere. They have carrying all the cows and went outside. Who is saying? Rati Manjari to Rupa Goswami, and you are a chaste lady. Now tell me one thing.
कुंभधर में ये सुंदर लाल है, फतदार कैसे आया?
How you get this cut in your lips? Now tell, because your husband is not at the home.
फिर करिए, हाँ
Now she's saying,
मुझे पता है
I know
तुम्हारी जो अधर उसके जो है पके हुए बिंब फल की भांति है। बिंब फल
your upper lips is just like a bimb fruit. Bimb fruit ही बोलते हैं उसको, bimb.
है, एक खट्टा फल होता है,
Just like a fruit which is so much reddish,
है, बिल्कुल लाल।
and when it ripe, this is called bimb fruit.
तुम्हारे अगर उसके जो
Your upper lips is just like a
है, आज कोई एक सुखपुंग है ना,
thinking that this is a bimb fruit, so
सुख पक्षी जो है
some the topmost word which is called shuk pakshi, so thinking that it is a fruit, so it's
तुम्हारे ऊपर
it's a bite your upper lips, so that's why you have this kinds of sign on your lips.
इसी को जो है
So she is describing this, so beautiful example is giving there.
आप पूरी उसमें
Tamrup Panjari Patap, like this.
इसी के का जो है सिद्ध देह के वृद्धि होने पर
When you get the position of your constitutional form, so this kinds of feelings manifested in your heart until you are not able to
कुल दृष्टि दिखाई
until you are not able to get your constitutional form, so you are so much covered with the maya here in this world, so you will see all the material things here.
है, अनर्थ निवृत्ति होकर के चित्त
When performing bhajan sadhana, all the anarth nivrati will go away from your heart, then gradually you will realize your constitutional form. That's why Mahaprabhu is saying Chetu Darpana Marjana Bhav Mahadavagni Ramapanam Shirya Kyata Chandraka Madhyavadi Jivanam Ananda Padivradam Padipadam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.
ये नाम संकीर्तन करते
So by performing this Nam Sankirtan, all your heart, whatever the dust or mud you have over your hearts, it will be clean gradually. So this smell will be washed away.
ये हमारे चित्त मानो
So your heart will be clean. Our heart is just like a mirror.
दर्पण में जिस प्रकार
Just like in the mirror, there is so much dust is there, you cannot see your face there. In the same way, when this heart is full of calm vikar and all kinds of bad thoughts, it is full of then, so you cannot see your transcendental constitutional form. So you have to clean it. How you can have to clean it? By the chanting holy name, Harinam.
बाप न संसार की जो त्रिगुणात्मिका जो मैं आतंक आदि
There are Trigunatma Maya, three Maya in this world: Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik, Adhyatmic, three tap. Then you will get, when you have to clean this, and you will get your transcendental form.
और उसके ऊपर संधिनी और संधिनी के ऊपर संगीत और राधनी है पति पत्नी है दो वस्तु। संधिनी के ऊपर क्या आ जाता है?
On the Sandhini, Samvit and Samvid and Haladani.
संगीत माने अपराजित ज्ञान
Samvid means the transcendental knowledge,
और राधनी माने
and Haladani means on the transcendental pleasure. So you will get that.
तो उसमें चित्त इतने निर्मल हो
So at that time your heart will be so much pure.
जाता है आत्मा प्रेम सिद्धं चित्त रुचि में चित्त समासन की दसु भागु चित्त
Your heart will be so much clean, fire, just like a sphatic, crystal clear.
नित्य सिद्ध ब्रह्म
And at that time,
प्रेम रूपी सिद्ध के जीवन मन
the rays of love of that Nitya Siddha Brajvasi, that will be,
संगीत और राधनी आपके प्रतिबंध
so that rays will come in the form of Samvid and Haladani.
होता है ये तो तुम्हारा भव महादेवादी श्रेया कैर्व चंद्रिका है श्रेया कैर्व चंद्रिका है चंद्रमा के किरण जैसे
Just like the rays of moon,
वलय की माने रात्रिकाल की कुमुदिनी को जैसे प्रस्फुटित करा
just like it blossoms the Kumudini at the night time, in the same way,
शुद्ध सत्व
Shuddha Sattva
और संगीत और राधनी
with the Shuddha Sattva, along with them Samvid and Aladni will come, the transcendental knowledge, transcendental pleasure will manifest it in your heart. what happens with the rays of moon?
मन चित्त कर जैसे सिद्ध कर देगा।
Your heart and mind will be pure, clear.
कुबलाई के जो है, कुबलाई समझ में आ रही है?
Huh? And Kobalai.
कुमुदिनी का है,
So there is a flower like a kumudni in the night. So the buds of that flowers blossoms in the night by the rays of moon. In the same way, gradually your all the avidya will be go away, and that will manifest the knowledge.
विकार भी प्रभु की जीवन शैली।
This is called the Vidya Vadhu Jivanam.
विकार प्रभु जीवनम, आनंदमदि वर्धनम। फिर क्या? आनंद की अम्बुधि।
Then what happened? The pleasure ocean will come into your heart, and so much pleasure you will get in every step. Every step you will relish that pleasure. Nivedanam, samatma samarpanam.
पूर्ण रूप से
Then completely,
राधा गोविंद के प्रेम सेवा में और प्रेम की में आप क्या करोगे?
then you will drown yourself like a big ocean, drawn into that ocean, the ocean of pleasure.
एक ही श्लोक में
So Mahaprabhu,
के भावों की
in this one shlok, he has explained the 7 kinds of feelings. There are 7 bhav, 7 chepo darpanam marjana bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam shreya kairav chandrika vidya vadhu jivanam anand mudhuri vardhanam प्रतिपदम पूर्णमत साधुदम सर्वनाम श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तनम.
नाम संकीर्तन के
So by performing Nam Sankirtan, your heart will be clear, and by the Nam Sankirtan, you will get your transcendental form. The amount you will do the chant holy name. So while doing this chanting holy name, your heart will be clear, and when your heart will be clear, so you will gradually realize your transcendental form.
ये सभी कैसे भगवान की सेवा है।
And when what you will see that all are serving the Bhagwan. Sarva Bhuteshu Japeshu Bhagavato.
तो इसे यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है।
So that's why it is saying here also.
ये भगवत लीला सिद्धि के उद्देश्य जो मैंने अपने प्रभाव से लीला विलास को कृष्ण की ऐसी सुंदर लीला जगत में किसने प्रकट की?
Why this beautiful Leela manifested in this world? Why Krishna?
जो समस्त भक्त अनेक जीवित और हजारों साल तक
Though all the devotees for the thousand years performing bhajan of Krishna in the mode of separation, for giving that mercy, so whatever the Leela is happening in that Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, so Bhagwan appeared with that Leela in this world.
मानुष
So just for the mercy, because of his mercy.
तादि शक्ति दास का तत्पर भवित है। ऐसे सुंदर कथा को श्रवण कीर्तन आदि करने
So after hearing and doing the kirtan of this katha, your mind will be observed in that.
भजते तादृश क्रीड़ा तत्पर भवित है। भवित शब्द के विधिलिंग का है।
Bhavit means vidhiling.
ये सबके क्या करना चाहिए? इसमें आविष्ट होना चाहिए।
Everybody has to be observed in that. Huh?
भवित शब्द कहे विधिलिंग, विधिलिंग माने
Bhavit,
पर आदेश जारी किया गया है।
Bhavit means vidhiling where this order is implemented, and if somebody is not implement that order, follow that order, so he will be punished.
इस आदेश को पालन करना
If somebody who doesn't follow this order, so he have to be punished.
आदेश नहीं पालन करना स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया।
So it is clarified here.
मैं तो अधिकारी नहीं, मैं
Somebody say that I am not the adhikari. No, it's not adhikar.
करना ही
Everybody has to listen. Bhavit means everybody has to listen. In the Sanskrit, vidhiling, where it is used vidhiling, when the order is implemented.
सरकार ने क्या आदेश जारी
The government has implemented so many rules.
पत्र जारी हो जाता है ना।
sometimes a curfew is implemented that nobody has to come out from the home,
लिखा रहता है
and it is mentioned also there
देखते ही गोली मार
that if somebody is seeing outside, so he will be shoot at the once.
सभी लोग
Shoot and sight orders.
अंदर रहेंगे
Shoot and sight order implemented by the government, that if somebody is seeing you outside from the home, just
में जो है
shoot him.
सेना के जो है ऐसे पावर दिया जाता है
So it is power is giving to the military
जैसे बाहर आ गए
that if somebody came out from the house, just see him and shoot him. Shoot and sight.
कहीं नहीं
No, you cannot go anywhere in the court and everywhere, because there is a curfew. There is a rule is implemented by the government.
देखते ही गोली मार
Shoot and sight order.
नियम जारी है
This is the rules implemented by the government.
ठीक
In the same way, in this shlok, in the Bhagavad, this shloka, anugraha bhaktanam. So Bhagwan,
करके
by his mercy, he has presented it beautiful form in this for whom he has manifested, for those who had performed for thousand years,
आज तनाव से भगवान की पुकार है
and they are calling Bhagwan with so much pleading, and they are pleading before Bhagwan, hey Bhagwan, when I will get your darshan. So just because of that kind of premi bhakta, Bhagwan performing his leela here by the Yog Maya. That is why it is saying anugraha bhaktanam, not for abhakta, not for non-devotee, it is for devotee only. Anugraha bhaktanam.
क्या बोले ताज वही जो है इसमें कोई भेद नहीं है
So there is no difference in it. Just like in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan, whatever the leela is going on,
वही लीला को जोगमाया क्या करते
the same leela is going on in this material world by the Yog Maya. Yog Maya is arranging everything.
हैं नाम मात्र है जब है कि नहीं है वो शब्द होते हैं शब्द के मल कहा है
Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, in the Brahma Samhita, he is describing that
गोलोक में गोकुल दर्शन और गोकुल में इसी संदर्भ में उसमें बात वर्णन कर रहे हैं
in this context, Jiva Goswami Pad is describing, hey Bhagwan, there is too much noise.
दशा में रहने पर ही है, उस समय क्या होता है उसमें थोड़ा बहुत माया की कुछ मल रहा था
Kya hai? Bhav Dasha. In the Bhav Dasha also there is a little bit mal of Maya. There is a little bit Maya is there.
उसके श्रोता वक्ता दोनों ही समझ गए जब हम उस जगत में जाएंगे तो
When we will go to the transcendental world, then we will come to know
गोलोक में गोकुल दर्शन गोकुल में
Golok Darshan. In the Golok, Gokul Darshan, and the Gokul, Golok Darshan. But still in this world, any sadhak, he used to go,
तथापि उनकी कहीं न कहीं माया की जो मल दशा
so he has a little bit Maya, little bit effect of Maya.
संसार में जब तक अज्ञान है
Because in this world, how long you are living, staying here,
कहीं कहीं नहीं कर
so little bit you have a effect of Maya.
हम नहीं करें
I am not saying. Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, in the Brahma Samhita, he is describing that. Golok, in the Golok Gokul Darshan and the Gokul Golok Darshan.
इसलिए कहते हैं जिस रूप में बताया क्या
Anugraya Bhaktanam.
जते तादृश पीड़ा
Bhajate Tadisha Pida.
से तादृश ठीक उसी उसमें कोई
In the same way, Tadrish means in the same way,
जैसा आपने प्रश्न है वहीं पर
just like the question is arise, there is no Janma Leela is there.
लीला है
There is Janma Leela is also there, but is not in a gross form, but is a bhav, feeling is there.
जैसे माँ जिसका
Just like my mother Yashoda,
आज मैं गोपाल को मैंने जन्म दिया
she is thinking that I have given the birth to the Gopal.
आप क्या है
So,
शब्द के द्वारा भी व्यक्त
so what kind of this feelings you cannot describe by word,
अभी जो है माया के द्वारा
because our mind and everything is covered, is contaminated with Maya. So that's why we cannot understand. So everything is there, every leela is there, but it is in the bhav matra.
वहाँ पर असुर मारण लीला नहीं है
So there is no asur marna leela.
में आपको इस तरह से असुर नहीं मिलेगा
So you cannot see Putana there in the Golok Vrindavan.
उतना बहुत लीला आदि है
But Putana Vada leela is, everything is there.
उतना की पूर्ण स्वरूप नहीं है
Putana
बहुत लीला उतना
Putana doesn't have this kinds of in a gross form, but there is a bhav matra.
ऐसे है चारों आप ही कहने भी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा।
How is that? You cannot understand if I say.
जब तक उस काम को नहीं करते
Until you cannot go that place, you cannot understand. It is bhav matra there.
हम आपका क्या है?
What is the bhav matra? How you can?
वो केवल भजन करते करते
So while performing bhajan and sadhana, you will realize that.
सिद्ध दयाल के द्वारा जब
Then by the siddh day,
तब बताते
you will go to Golok Vrindavan, then you will come to know. Okay?
कैसे है
How is that?
वो जैसे है
जैसे है, जैसे है.
कैसे है
How is that?
जैसे है ऐसे
How is that? Is that? Is that?
कैसे है बोले जैसे है ऐसे है
How is that? Is that? Is that? Is that? Is just.
किंतु इन जगह बोलने भी समझ में नहीं है
So you cannot understand if I describe.
क्योंकि हम जो भाषा बोलेंगे
Whatever the language we speak,
बाकी तो जगह तो भाषा तो बोलेंगे
so we will speak that transcendent, this material words,
वाले
language. So that's why the people who is speaking or the people who are listening, they cannot understand. So that's why it is called Anubhav Vrit Bhava Matra.
और उस जगत में जाकर के साक्षात
And in that transcendental world, you will go to, you practically you will see all these things. And in this world, you are feeling.
और उस जगत में
And the transcendental world, you will go practical.
साक्षात में डायरेक्ट करते
So practically, directly, you will take the darshan of that leela. Hey Bhagwan, बुला लो मुझे.
ये नाम करते करते करते
So while performing this name, everything manifested in your heart. What is the meaning? Why are you chanting the name? Why are you hearing this so much katha? What is the reason?
मूड क्यों मांग रहे
Why are you so much engaging your mind here? This is the reason. All.
चित्त के निर्माण हो
It is just only because that your heart will be pure, clean, and you will get your own transcendental constitutional form. Okay, Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
आप कौन है हु आर यू
Who are you? Who are you and why are you? So who are you? You have to realize that knowledge.
आते हैं भगवान के धाम से आते हैं उनको तो अनुभव होगा अरे वो तो है सब क्योंकि तथापि जो माया के द्वारा उनकी सबको आच्छादित कर देते
The Nitya Parikar who used to come, now here's a question, right? The Nitya Parikar who used to come in this material world, so they don't know about that. No, they knows, but they are covered by the Yog Maya. They are affected by the Yog Maya, so that why they have forgotten everything. So whatever they are playing a role in this world, they knows everything. The person you have seen, the person who is performing a role in this world, he knows that I'm a man, I'm a gents, but they are putting the dress of the ladies, and internally they are men.
पुरुष है उसके सदाप्रभु का ये भाव है
So they have this kinds of feeling. I am the gents, but they are performing the leela of a ladies. Okay.
अपराधी नहीं
But in the transcendental world, the same Yog Maya is covered, his intelligence.
योग में करिए अपन योग में सीख लिया
जय जय श्री राधे श्याम हरि बोल. कब होगी स्वरूप की उपलब्धि गुरुदेव?
नाम करते 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 इतने परिमाण हरिनाम करो मथुरा जा रहे हैं कल आएंगे आज चले जाओ हाँ कौन आए तो काम है कल शाम को मैं भी कल सुबह जाऊँ पूजा पूजा करें 9 रात के बाद आएंगे 1 रात के बाद गंगोत्री तो वही है ना सब शुरू हुआ